Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE and S10 FE Plus. Big Billion Days sale and Amazon Great Indian Festival are coming in a few days. So if you are planning to buy S10 FE or S10 FE Plus, in that case you must know the exact pricing or the best pricing for these two products. If you want to buy Samsung Galaxy S10 FE, in that case for the 128GB Wi-Fi variant, the best price would be around 28,000 rupees. Similarly, if you are planning to buy the 5G variant of 128GB version, in that case the best price would be 32,000 rupees. And if you want to buy the 256GB variant and Wi-Fi combination, in that case the best price would be 34,000 rupees maximum. On the other hand, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy S10 FE Plus, in that case for the base variant of 128GB Wi-Fi variant, the best price would be around 38,000 rupees. And if you are planning to buy the 5G variant, in that case the best price would be 42,000 rupees. And for the 256GB variant Wi-Fi, you can pay the price of 45 to maximum 46,000 rupees. Currently the price of these two products are on the higher side, so don't make the mistake of buying these products right now. You must wait till Big Billion Day sale or Amazon Great Indian Festival to have the best discount and to have the best value for your bucks. But if you are buying these two tablets for video editing, in that case I will request you not to buy Samsung tablets. Rather you should go for iPad 10th generation or iPad 11th generation to have a better editing experience altogether. If you are planning to buy iPad 10th generation 64GB variant, in that case the best price would be 20 to 22,000 rupees maximum. And for iPad 11th generation, the maximum price that you can pay for the 128GB variant is around 26 to 27,000 rupees. With iPad 10th generation or iPad 11th generation, you will have excellent video editing. You can render 4K 60 FPS videos with ease. Similarly, if you are planning to buy iPad Air, in that case I would recommend you to buy iPad Air M3 because this is the latest iPad that you can buy right now. The best price for iPad Air M3 would be around 45 to 46,000 rupees. On the other hand, if you are planning to buy iPad Air M2, in that case the best price would be around 40 to 42,000 rupees maximum. Many people want to know the price of Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. If you want to buy S10 Plus, in that case for the base variant you can pay the price of 58 to 60,000 rupees maximum. Though I would not recommend a tablet in the Android arena at this price point, rather you should go for iPad. The reason behind this is that with iPad you will get more software updates and the performance will be buttery smooth, and also video editing and high-end online gaming will be excellent on iPads. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.